Are you ready to take control of your financial future? You are invited to an exclusive finance workshop. First up, Realtor and Broker Brianne Felton will guide you through the Homebuyers Workshop. Whether you're buying your first, second, or forever home, she's got the insights you need. Then, Tim Spears from Veterans United will break down all things finance. From credit scores and debt-to-income ratios to what lenders are really looking for. This event is hosted by Fellowship of Love Worship Center and Dr. Larry S. Murray. Tuesday, March 25th, 2025. Host location, Fellowship of Love Worship Center, 40 Trees 72 West Oglethorpe Highway, Hinesville, Georgia 31313. 6:30 p.m. Homebuyers Workshop with Brianne Felton. 7 p.m. Fuel your finances with Tim Spears. This is your chance to gain the knowledge you need to make smart financial decisions. Don't miss out. RSVP today.